Hey guys, this is the Vitamix A2500 blender, and let me tell you, it may look like just a regular blender, but it is so far from that. It is the most incredible blender I've ever had. It can blend things like greens. I'm going to show you that in a second. I've got some spinach and some collard greens there to the point where you're not chewing on it when you're having smoothies, which was so important for me to find, and it actually enabled me to give it to my kids, and they love it. They'll drink it because they don't feel that chewiness. And so I'm going to demo making one of our favorite smoothies for you here in just a second, but I wanted to give you a closer look at the machine. So there is an on and off switch right on the side there that I had turned on, and you can see here there is a smoothie setting, and then this is the dessert setting where you can make sorbets and ice creams, and this is the setting where you can actually just put in some vegetables or whatever you want to add to your soup, and it will actually create a hot soup for you in just a matter of minutes, which is incredible. On this side, you also have variable speed control from 1 being the lowest all the way to 10, and I'll demo all these for you as well so you can see and hear how powerful they are. And on this side, you can just do the pulse as much as you want. And here is if you want to do a setting, let's say you would just start it and let it go for the 50 seconds. You can actually walk away and come back, and your smoothie will be completely blended. And you can see here it's got some really nice strong stainless steel blades in there, and here is where you connect the blender. So this is the part that sticks right into that hole, and as long as you get that lined up well, then it will go in perfectly. You've got this really nice lid here, and it clips on both sides to make sure that it's, securely fit. And then, of course, if you need to add some more things in here, you can open this up and add it in as you go. So I'm going to go ahead and load up this smoothie that I'm about to make. So I'm going to show you here. I've got, like I said, the spinach and collard greens, avocado, some frozen mango and banana, some ice cubes, and some almond butter, and I'm going to add water as my liquid. And just to let you know, they do give you lots of recipes and guides inside the box. This tells you exactly the order in which you're recommended to load the ingredients. So you start with liquids, then dried goods, leafy greens, veggies, and fruits, and ice and frozen ingredients. And I've always done it this way for the years we've had it, and it's worked out perfectly well. So I'm going to go ahead and load it now. I'm going to pause the video, and then I will come back and show you how it creates this deliciously smooth, amazing smoothie that I have been able to get my kids to drink, and I love it too. It's just invigorating. After I drink that, I have so much energy. It's amazing. So I'll be right back. Let me just pause the video. So you can see here I went ahead and loaded the blender with everything in the order that they recommended. I've got it on the smoothie settings. So you can see it did all that on its own, just turned off, and it actually did an amazing job. Let me let you get a closer look to just how smooth. You don't see any pieces of greens in there. You're not going to be chewing. So I'm going to go ahead and open this top here too, so I can give you a closer look on the inside. And I know that was kind of a long time, but I just, in case you wanted to see what it sounds like and what it's like, there it is. And I'll go ahead and show you into the glass right here. Let me go ahead and just pour it so you can see. This is a nice thick one. Now it will kind of get, a little bit more liquidy as you wait. But it's really refreshing, really delicious, very healthy. This is great if you wanted to even use it as like a meal. If you added a little bit more protein than what I did, you could definitely do that. So It's been such a useful tool. I was a little skeptical when I got it originally, thinking, am I really going to use this for what it's worth, given the price and everything? But I use it every day, sometimes multiple times a day. I'm so thankful that I've gotten my kids to drink things like this, and the fact that I can make desserts for them too that are delicious and refreshing, and I know exactly what I'm putting in it, and mostly it's fruit. I just really love it. So I can't speak highly enough of this. This is, like I said, a staple in our kitchen. We absolutely love it, and I definitely think you should give it a try if you're looking for something like this.